In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video production workflow in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a repeatable, organized system for taking a video from idea to published, without missing a step or losing track of who's doing what. Start by opening ClickUp and creating a dedicated space. Name it something like video production so your work is easy to find and manage. Inside that space, add a folder called Video Projects. This becomes the home for everything related to your videos and keeps all tasks grouped where your team expects to find them. Within that folder, create a list named Video Workflow. Think of this list as your pipeline. Each task in this list will represent a single video. This structure makes it simple to track progress at a glance and ensures every video follows the same path from start to finish. Next, define your workflow stages by opening the list settings and updating the statuses. Add idea or brainstorming for early concepts, scripting or planning for outlining and research, filming for production days, editing for post-production, review or feedback for quality checks, and scheduled or published for final delivery. Clear statuses create visibility and accountability at each stage. If you're new to ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description to access the website or download the app so you can follow along. Now, create a task called Video Template and add checklists for your standard steps. Script written, storyboard created, equipment ready, shoot complete, edit complete, thumbnail created, and upload to platform. Save this as a reusable task template so you don't have to rebuild the process for every new video. Assign team members to each task based on their role, like editor, creator, or reviewer. Add due dates for key stages, and if it helps, use subtasks for the bigger steps. For example, set the editing subtask due 3 days after filming. This timing keeps momentum and helps your team plan their workload. To save time, consider automations. Create rules like assigning the editor when a task moves to filming, notifying the reviewer when it hits review, and automatically marking the task complete when the status changes to published. Test your automations on a sample task to confirm everything triggers correctly. Use different views to stay on top of progress. Board view gives you a Kanban-style flow of statuses, while timeline view helps with scheduling and dependencies. Apply filters to focus on your own tasks or see only videos due this week. From here, just duplicate the video template task for each new video, update the title, due dates, and assignees, and move it through the stages as you work. That's it. Thanks for watching.